Hello everybody, got my pile of coffee. I probably didn't know here we're in this 1973 Dodge Charger. It's Easter Sunday. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. I'm going to pick up my grandkids. That's a blessed day for me. Get some ice cream. I think it's a little cold to get ice cream, but we could do that. This right here is East Erie. Right here, this is 8th Street in Reed, Erie, Pennsylvania. Decaffeinated coffee right here. Second. East 10th Street. 10th and Ash here at the light.
Power Plant, the Lutheran Foundation for Long-Term Living, WJET and WFX.
I don't own the copyright to any of this music in the background.
April 25th, celebrate understanding, inclusion, and the power of community.
Imagine walking through the front door of your dream home. Now, imagine it's all paid for. Entry systems, sending interest for doors, windows, and more is the biggest sponsor of your radio transformation, it's all on the table. Entry systems.
long-term renters and owners.
26 and Parade here in Pennsylvania. Come take a ride with me. Thanks for your interest. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. God bless.